Maasenso hapon mga ka-Asenso. Welcome back sa tong first ever Mayor sa Mikot Asenso Barangay Kapo karon. Welcome na usab kamo nga mo tan-aw mo cheer sa atong fourth game which will be played by Barangay San Jose versus Barangay Dao. Sa mga ka-Asenso no, ayaw ka makalimot nga mo like, mo follow, mo share sa atong Facebook page Asenso Sport Channel o sa atong YouTube account Asenso Sport Channel Official para everyday kamo nga makamonitor sa atong live streams. Sa mga ka-Asenso ayaw usab kamo kalimot nga pwede kamo mo bisita diri sa atong Red City Covered Court. So mga ka-Asenso, relax and enjoy the game. I'm Ivy Merchant Carpentero. Padayon, pag-Asenso, pagadian.
Sound check, sound check. Nai-live, nai-live? Ay, wala live? Wala. Okay. And live mga ka-Asenso dito sa Asenso Covered Court. It's our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup. Game 1 sa itong Urban Division karong hapon na. It's between Barangay San Jose and Barangay Dao. Mayong hapon kaninyo tanan mga ka-Asenso. Magandang hapon sa lahat na nanonood dyan mula Luzon, Visayas hanggang Mindanao. This is your commentator Gab and Lapay scoring first for Barangay Dao. Yan wala man ni live. Ana. Fiel Tugilyar for 3. Kana gihalok kan gilips to lips sabihan ako ning mic dere. Ha? Oy gilips to lips na ako ning mic dere wala pagyapon. Right, ladies and gentlemen, maayong hapon kaninyo tanan labi na sa mga naglatlaw live by Asenso Sports Channel. Sa mga taga San Jose ug taga Barangay Dao diha. Maayong hapon, last touch, out of bounds, stepping on the line. Committed by, Muraog? Makahunat ko ani karon mukusog na ni. Sa pagkita tag chicks ron, aw. Lapay. 216 inside para kay Jimenez. Corner, balik kay Lapay sa gitna. Jumper and it's good for Lapay. Abrea 2-4 ang score, lamang ang Barangay Dao. Liwas no good for that shot. 2-4 ang score mga ka-Asenso. Fuentes, wing 3-pointer, no good. Rebounded by Lapay. Now to Fiel, mid-range. Can't get it to go. Uba with the rebound. Uba to Abrea. Abrea to Liwas sa gitna. And it's good for Liwas. Liwas Pista, Liwas Pasco. Jimenez. To Villar, balik kay Jimenez, nabitawan, Fiel, baseline jumper, labas. Ooh, a foul is called against number 16. Hinay internet, no? Hinay. Abria to Uba. Uba fakes, driving outside to Abria, open for 3. No good. Now to Lapay. Fiel to Villar. Nice pass para kay Jimenez under the basket. Abria heavily guarded. Ball stripped from behind. Muntikan pa nabitawan. Uba saves the ball. Passing it to Liwa sa gitna. Mid-range. Can't get it to go. And out of bounds. 2-point lead for Barangay Dao, 4-6. Sub. Daoy, hinay may internet, oy. Hindi man tamalingaw ani, oy. Oy, Bicog. Kumbayot, tag santol para dili bikugan. Tawa ang nakasabot. Uba missing that baseline jumper. Pass break to Lapay and layup by Lapay. 4-8, lamang ng 4 ang Barangay Dao. Uba. Uba to Uba. Inside feed, di ko kita rep pero na shot, maayo. Marata rin nakascore. Gilyar now to Fiel. Jimenez balik kay Gilyar. Lapay mid-range. No good. Tapi ka ng bola. Fiel fakes, turns around and still no good. Tapi ka na naman. Marata. Easy layup. Uba sa ilalim para kay Liwas. Missing that reverse layup. Gilyar, uy, hinintay si number 7. Grabe man ang internet. Uy, di man makikooperate. Marata to Liwas. To Uba, inside to Marata, and no good. Grabe internet yun, makikooperate yun, binuang.
Foul number 22. First personal foul. First team foul.
And a timeout is called by Barangay Dao as they lead by only 2 points. Grabe, pati data, di po mo cooperate. Anak ng data ba? Data, cellphone. Anak ng teteng. Uba, corner 3, bang! Uba nailing that corner 3 for Barangay San Jose. Pero mas nindot yun paminahon na magtingog, no? Na magtikaw-tikaw, no? Liwas. 4 straight points for Barangay San Jose. Oh no, 5 straight points. Di ay 13-10. Gilyar, good defense by Tanya Hura. Gilyar bumps. Traveling violation against Gilyar. Ay, sorry te. Uba, long pass para kay Liwas. Intercepted. Now ball stolen by Lapay. Lapay pa rin. Bang! Lapay, the mid-range assassin of Barangay Dao. Abot ra ni sila ni Kuan Palwa. Grabe, mid-range ni mga tawanan eh. Bang! 3-pointer by number 23 of Barangay San Jose. Manggubat. Fielis block by Tanya Hura. Uba naman ngayon. 2 against 3. Behind the back para kay Liwas. Traveling violation by Liwas.
Traveling violation.
Gilyar fakes, fires, force shot, ball strip, ball intercepted, pass break to Manggubat, and Manggubat nailing that layup for Barangay San Jose. Lapay, long 3, munti ka na. Giibtan, ball stolen from the hands of Liwas by Ramirez. Oy, parente mo na ini. Ibtan pa yun noon. 34 seconds remaining in the first quarter. 18-12. Lamang na ngayon ang Barangay San Jose. Ramirez, the putback. Uba. Manggubat, isa pang 3. Mintes, Uba with a rebound, turn around, jumper is good as the game clock expires for the first quarter. Wow, what a shot by Uba. Let's go at Rico Hospital. At the Rico Hospital. Rico Hospital. Yeah. Pagpata na sa inyong mga mata, ang mata di mo ta. Buang man internet. Wala lagi? No. Pang shoes ug sandal, pantalon ug t-shirt at the Rico Hospital. Back to our ball game, second quarter mga ka-Asenso. It's Barangay Dao and Barangay San Jose. Early foul called against Barangay Dao as Magsayo driving. his motorcycle.
Number 60, third personal foul.
Asentista na speed inside, di nasalo. Ay, ngayo kag bola sa lalom, di ba nangyayon mo salon? Arong di akol. Siya ni maligaya. Uy, happy. Happy. Unable to catch that pass from Asentista. Lapay. Ooh, good decision. Fiel, bounce pass inside. Gilyar, Lapay ulit. Mid-range and is fouled by Magsayo.
Foul number 6. Magsayo. First personal foul. First big foul. San Jose.
Hapit na yung pa-picture na si Fiel. Oh. Fiel. Palong ang laptop kaya way internet. Tatay. Tinapos sa oras ang Barangay Dao. Shot clock violation. Forcing them to commit. Ay pulos ang laptop o kang pati data, hindi kayong data. Binuang naman yung style lang eh. Wa may ulan. Padulong pa. Grabe nang andam mo. Lupig pa yung dagang kapitan, ana. Padulong pa, wanay signal. Ako, ani, gadagom pa lang. Manghatag na kong relief goods. Pastilan. Binuang manis tayo ni. Butatang inabot ni Fiel. By Asentista. Uba, no look pass para kay Manggubat. Can't get it to go. Mag-focus na nga tayo, mag-focus na sa atong commentator. No? Shout out day ko sa tanang nagpa-shout out diha bisag walay live. Shout out na lang ko sa atong technical team diha. Patrick the Great, Ograi Majesty, and DJ Jabs in the house. George P on my back. Manggubat under the basket. Lapay to Gaudia. Now to Fiel. Fiel to Ramirez. No good. Tinapik ang bola. Magsayo gets that rebound. No look pass para kay Uba. Extends his arms for that layup. Now to Lapay. 10-point lead for Barangay San Jose. Lapay! Sa likod sa ring. Balin siguro na ito ng ring. Siguro sa likod. Or butangan na ito ng ring sa likod.
For number 60.
10-point lead for Barangay San Jose. Kani-kanina lamang naghabol ang San Jose. But then the tables have turned as they lead by 10 points against Barangay Dao. Fiel off the glass, it's good. 26-18. Patrick, wagyoy si salig ris Patrick sa kong istorya oh.
Out of bounds.
George, boring man George.
30.
Boring. Oh. Magsayo unable to make that layup. Fiel to Lapay, mid-range again, no good. Ball tapped in the air. Uba to Asentista, back to Uba. The transition offense by Barangay San Jose. Jimenez to Fiel. Bounce pass. Jimenez unable to catch that pass. Now to Asentista. Alone in the dark. Yes, sir. Fiel, nice fake. Magsayo. Firing from downtown. No good. Jimenez with the rebound. Gauja. Passing it to Fiel. Baseline, and Fiel is fouled. Agoy, minganas Patrick. And a timeout is called by Barangay San Jose as they lead by 10 points with 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
First personal foul. Third team foul. San Jose.
Sure, they will miss. Then his budget Mr. Borger, wana mera Mr. Borger, wana mera Mr. Borger. Mr. Borger. Borger. And back to our ball game from that timeout. San Jose leading by 10 points. Lapay. Bounce pass inside. Nice feed para kay Jimenez. Good team play there for Barangay Dao. Asentista to Uba. Uba to Carlo. Mag-scubat. And no good. Ay, big shout out there, Carlo Guinea. Uba almost intercepts that pass. Karitan will check in for Barangay Dao. Adorico Hospital. Jacinto Lapay. Nice steal by Uba. Turns around. Long pass para kay Sentista. 4 shots, second chance, no good. Manggubat saves the ball. Woo! Kala ko supalpal na yun.
Number 90. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Daw. Uy! Shoutout ko na ni Jason. Nabuhi ang patay. Karon pa man nagpakita. Mura magkalag. Talagsar ang pakita. Nakaligo na ba daw ka, Son? Jason, nakaligo na ka, Son? Wala daw. Rip, time sa rip. Di ko kita rip. Awa. Di niya ito manggubat. Inside to Asentista. No foul called. But Lingkit is there to save that point. Gilyar. All the way from that teardrop. Pamiris ka diha, Gilyar magud to. Manggubat stops, passing it to Uba. Uba, no look pass inside. Asentista sa labas. Manggubat as the shot clock expires. Uba Nakakuha pa ng rebound. Jacinto. No good for that three-pointer. Manggubat with a rebound. Passing it to Ginya. Ball stolen. Manggubat ulit. Uba this time. To Ginya. Mid-range. Bang! Carlo the boss. Ginya. Jimenez, bounce pass inside, block from behind, but there's a foul called.
Foul number 80. Loading 8. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. San Jose.
Asentista sidestep. Walang iya, muntikan pang i-dunk. Limot si lumingkit ba? Pag inabot yun, ako. Lapay. Another mid-range for Lapay. Noon, maski dito sa sila si Lapay, maabton ako na magdula sa una dito sa kanay, sa Lusaran. Maayo gid po ni noon. Shooter kayo pero not as good as now as he's performing now. Okay lang. Yeah, performance na karon bagay. Sige magpanalay. Manggubat nailing that three-pointer. Ooh, what a block there by Lumingkit. Marata. Banking pas Marata, oh. Lapay for three. Another rebound. Marata inabot sa oras.
It of the second quarter. These quarters will be won by Spear, according to Valerie Fernandez.
Wala po yung live niya, ilang ko. Wala po yung live, ilang boss live niya. And a big shout out to Bojic Anyayahan. Shout out kay Bojic Anyayahan nga naa karon diri ga una-una. Unya pa man ta nila ang dula. Shout out Bojic Anyayahan. Dr. Vapors. Jason Sumosod. bitaw na mo. Sugod naman karong Lunes. Wala kami uniforme. Kontra na wala sila Rinumba, nasa Anyayahan, India, Carlo, mga taga San Jose nga Varsity, taga San Pedro Sagol. Dahil lagi kaya may kontra lagi tanan. Silang boss lang. Alam po nga. Kulang pa kong free spell sa t-shirt lagi para mag-up and down. Kung gusto mo up and down. Wow! Wow! What a 3-point shot by Tura! Bagwa the sniper Tura! Walang foul na itinawag, sayang. But that was a great 3-point shot. Lapay, eyes in the air. Ayan na si Tura. Sige ngalan, ano ni Tura, oy? Ako tanawon. Nalimot ko sa ngalan, ano ni Tura.
Foul number 8. First one foul. First team foul.
Malala ko sa igala ni Tura. Juanes. Ay. Juanes din ka. Bago ka Juanes din ka. Tura. Uba. Sayang wala na naka-live pero i-upload ani sa YouTube ron. Lapay. Basket na foul for Lapay.
Foul number 6. Baksayo.
Go Juanes.
First and foul.
Go Juanes.
First team foul.
Juanes. Go Juanes. Lagi. Ilang good. Karitan, rebound. Ayun, foul. Foul si Juanes. (47-34), 7 minutes and 52 seconds in the third quarter. Ubaw, nice fake. Walang sumalo. Buti na lang andyan si Magsayo. Tuginia. Muntikan pa yun Karitan with the rebound. Carlo the boss, Ginia. Juanes, the sniper. No good. Juanes, the sniper, Tura. Carlo. Hindi pa nasalo ni Magsayo. Ay siya, big shout out dahil CTG Constructions. Shout out po ni Ivy Carpenter. Humutan ni Moron B. Uy. Shout out po kay George Amis ug sayang lalabs. Si Rowena ni noon. Sa ngalan Sweet Cabanyas. Humutan ni Moron B. Uy. Wala na may klase.
Nawa, wala ka palibak, mga aktor.
Sa, riyab ni mo. Padalag makaon. Padalag makaon. Sabi. Fiel to Ramirez. Inside, walang bantay. Yes, sir. Good look by Ramirez. San Jose was stunned from that pass.
Si Juan may mga pagsubok sa buhay. Dili na sa extra ka na pagsubok.
Pagsubok diya. Carlo the boss. Corner 3, no good. Fiel to Sniper. Tura basket and a foul. Juanes the Sniper Tura. Wow.
Pater kayo ko ano?
Mas faster is Tura yun. I've seen him play many
Wala ko
times.
makakita ng lula ko good.
Wala ba nga kay Kai? Uba, uy! Hadlo ka ato natakil po.
So sa lamisa eh.
Naraw, lamisa man ito rin. Ato sa lamisa, magpahipi na po ka sa daplin. Abi kay mo ani mong uyab. Tura, another 3 points. Wow, sniping from downtown. Hindi yung ma-excite yung kapirmente mo lang taon ni Tura kay iya mga tres ba kay murag pang Steph Curry og style ba dili quick release then high arcing pa gyud bitaw.
Time out niya ako masyad.
And binawi naman agad ni Uba from the wing side ang 3 points as San Jose taking the lead by 9 points. Dao gets that timeout.
City Council is Sosolet, Rono Duterte.
Ayaw pagtagad sa ilang pagtagad sa imong paglakaw di man ka managad. Ayaw pagtagad sa ilang pagtagad kaysa imong paglakaw di man ka managad kay dagan ka kwata di pa gyud ka managad. 50-41, 5 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in the third quarter, mga kasetso. It's the O versus San Jose as Lapay has the ball. One-hander bouncing off the rim and it's good. Maayo yun kung pinsa ni si Lapay. Kulang lang yun sa dipinsa. Same with Tura, he's good at offense. Defense is not that paano.
Foul number 60, Vidyard. Fourth personal foul, third big foul.
Tara, 15. Nasayop.
Number 50. First personal foul, third big foul.
Tarungan na ni Alan. Oy, lubat imong mic. Uba. To Manggubat, quick pass. Oh, another foul.
Foul number 11. Foul number 12. Second personal foul for big foul.
Maligaya. No good for that first throw. Second throw, ayaw pa rin. Gilyar. Time winding down. Kinapos sa oras. Shot clock violation by Barangay Dao.
Attack violation.
Iyaw pagtagad sa iyang pagtagad sa imong paglakaw. Di ba ka managad? Di ba ka magad? Shout out DJ Jobs. Gilyar, long pass para kay number 19. Lagpas. Agawa ng bola sa baba. Agawa ang buko. Tuara pati ulog ilog.
Position arrow San Jose.
Jump ball and possession arrow says it will go to Barangay San Jose. 7-point lead for Barangay San Jose. Uba, tudlo si Uba. Oh. What a crossover by Uba to Asentista. Iwan si Tura. Corner 3 by Uba. No good. Tapi ka ng bola sa itaas. Caritan wins that rebound. Long pass to Tura. Tura's double clutch. No foul is called. Last touch by Tura. Uba to Uba. Fakes, bounce pass, ball stolen by number 11, number 19. Now to Gilyar. Gilyar firing from downtown. Bang! What a 3-point shot by Gilyar from downtown, baby. And the lead now is cut to 4. Ayan o, galing sa 10 puntos. Ngayon, 4 na lang. 6-2, nothing run for Barangay Dao. Uba steps on the line. Magaluwid will check in for Barangay Dao as he will replace number 19. Shout out George nga mo sumangil like adto sa table para magpahipi dito sa Daplin unya. Gilyar! Isa pang 3 para kay Gilyar. Mukhang nag-aalab ang kamay ni Gilyar for tonight. Isang puntos na lang ang lamang ng San Jose. Back-to-back 3-pointer for Gilyar. Asentista sidestep, can't get it to go. Maligaya with the rebound, passing it to Uba sa labas. Penetrating, nice fake inside. Basket and a foul for Asentista.
Asentista. Number 50. Second personal foul.
And another 3 points for Gilyar. Back to back 3 points for Gilyar. Woo! Hot hands here for Gilyar. And Dao gaining momentum.
Maligaya offensive foul. Maligaya second personal foul.
Tura and is fouled by number 19. Gilyar. Balik kay Gilyar sa labas. Fakes, fires, and there's a foul call.
Foul number 1. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Gilyar ties the game at 52 for his 3 consecutive 3-point shot. Spectacular shooting by Gilyar of Barangay Dao. Lamang na ngayon ang Barangay Dao. 8 seconds. Tura, quick release. Rebound by number 15. Now to Magaluwid. Stolen by Uba. And that's the end of our third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Spectacular performance for Gilyar of Barangay Dao as he nails 3 consecutive 3 points.
Vice field. According by Rick Fernandez.
Fourth quarter, mga ka-Asenso, Barangay Dao and Barangay San Jose. As we close third quarter, Gilyar, awesome performance. Magaluwid and is blocked by Manggubat.
Foul number 30. Oba. First personal foul. First team foul. Foul number 1. Oba. Third personal foul. Second team foul. San Jose.
Uba way off the mark for his 3 points. Tura against Magsayo. Tura 1 against 3. Quick release, turn around. Wow, what a shot there by Tura. Uba reverse layup and it's good. Outside pass, Tura for 3. Bang! What a 3-point shot by Tura. Ayan na ang sniper ng Barangay Dao. Uba. Nice feed. Gilyar. Tura ulit. 1 against 4. Tura long 3. And his foul from downtown.
Foul number 13. Uba. Second personal foul. 13 foul.
Nawala na pong internet. Dao leading with 6 points. Magsayo to Uba. Kinakabahan ang Barangay San Jose. Magsayo block from behind by Magaluwid.
8 seconds to shoot.
Scam ng internet. Ay, nawala. Magalit. And Uba nailing the 3 points sa corner. Cutting the lead to 3. Tura, quick release. Off the mark this time. Munti pa nabitawan. Tura ulit. Another chance. And still missing it this time. Uba long pass. Magsayo, nag-iisa, shopping. Karitan driving. Umararo, no good. Magsayo. Ball strip. Fouled.
Foul number 21.
Wala na pong internet. Wala mo rin.
Right now. These seconds go to Uba. City Control. Stop. Final 2.
Gilyar for 3. Short. Fiel. Up and under. And it's good. What a block by Magaluwid. Uba. Ayun, may foul.
Foul number 40. First personal foul. Sega 3 foul. Foul.
Nice trap defense for Barangay San Jose. 61-62. Ball stripped from the hands of Gilyar. Now to Liwas. Another steal for San Jose. Uba with layup. Eight seconds violation for the O. San Jose naman ngayon ang nakakakuha ng momentum. At biglang napundi ang apoy ng Barangay Dao. Liwas are able to make that jumper. Tura for 3. No good this time. Ball stolen by Gilyar. Gilyar, no foul called. Liwas with another steal for the O. Long pass to Magsayo. Finally scoring. Manggubat all the way. Bam! Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Gilyar is still draining threes for Barangay Dao. Manggubat lays it up for 2 at napatawag ang Barangay Dao for that layup.
Barangay Dao. These teams, these players from Lima, City Council, Margaret Rivero Cell. Start over. Last 2 minutes. These last minutes brought to you by Mayor Sami Go. And Mayor Sami Asejoka.
Manggubat. Time winding down block from behind by Lapay. Kadagit pa yun palako. Sayang no, nahurot ang momentum sa Barangay Dao. And that's the end of our regulation, mga ka-Asenso. Congratulations to Barangay San Jose for winning this ball game.
End of the fourth quarter. Final score 77-69. Winner Barangay San Jose. This game's brought to you by Mayor Sami Go and Mayor Sami Asejoka.